Hello Christmas decorators around the world. Today we're diving into a really creative and festive idea for your holiday decorations that you might not have thought of before. Using hula hoops to create beautiful Christmas decorations. Now I know what you're thinking. Hula hoops? For Christmas? But trust me, once you see how versatile and stylish they can be, you're going to want to grab a few and get decorating right away. Let's start with the basics. Why hula hoops? Well, hula hoops are incredibly affordable, especially if you're on a budget. You can find them at dollar stores, thrift shops, or even dig up some old ones that might be lying around from the summer. The best part is that they're lightweight and easy to work with, which makes them perfect for creating a variety of Christmas-themed decorations. One of the most popular ways to use a hula hoop for Christmas decor is to transform it into a wreath. A hula hoop wreath is a fantastic alternative to the traditional wreath, giving you a larger, more dramatic focal point that can be customized to fit any style. Start by wrapping the hula hoop with garlands. This could be evergreen garlands, tinsel, or even fabric if you're going for a more rustic look. Add some lights, maybe some ornaments, and finish it off with a big bow. Voila! You've got yourself a unique and eye-catching wreath that can be hung on your front door, over your fireplace, or even on an interior wall to add a bit of Christmas cheer. Another idea is to use the hula hoop as a base for a chandelier. This might sound a little complicated, but it's actually pretty simple and can be a stunning centerpiece for your holiday table or living room. Start by wrapping the hula hoop in your choice of material. Maybe some white ribbon to keep it elegant, or metallic tape for a bit of shine. Then, attach strands of lights or beaded garlands that hang down from the hoop. You can add ornaments to the ends of these strands for a little extra sparkle. Hang your chandelier above your dining table or in an entryway, and you'll have a magical, glowing decoration that looks straight out of a winter wonderland. Now, let's talk about some other creative ways to use hula hoops in your Christmas decorations. If you're into minimalistic decor, you can leave the hula hoop bare and simply hang a few carefully chosen ornaments from it. Think of it as a floating ornament display. This works especially well if you have a modern or Scandinavian-inspired home. You could also spray paint the hula hoop in a metallic color like gold or silver to match your existing decorations. If you're decorating a larger space or hosting a holiday party, consider creating a hula hoop photo backdrop. Cover the hula hoop with festive fabric or wrapping paper, then string some lights or garlands across it. Add a few festive props like oversized candy canes, snowflakes, or bows, and you've got a perfect spot for guests to snap holiday photos. It's a fun and interactive decoration that adds to the festive atmosphere. Speaking of parties, hula hoops can also be used to create oversized ornaments to hang from the ceiling or place around your home. Wrap them in shiny metallic paper or fabric, add a large ribbon or bow, and maybe even a tag that says "To Santa." These oversized ornaments are great for filling up space and adding a playful, whimsical touch to your holiday decor. One of the major advantages of using hula hoops in your Christmas decorations is their versatility. They can be used in so many different ways, from wreaths and chandeliers to photo backdrops and oversized ornaments. Plus, they're easy to customize. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic, modern, or whimsical style, you can adapt a hula hoop decoration to suit your taste. Another benefit is how easy they are to store after the holidays. Unlike bulky or fragile decorations, hula hoops can be easily disassembled and stored flat, taking up minimal space until next Christmas. Another huge benefit of hula hoop decorations is how lightweight they are. This means you can hang them just about anywhere without worrying about damaging walls or ceilings. You can easily attach them to the ceiling with command hooks or string, or prop them up against a wall if you don't want to hang them. This flexibility makes them perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want to make permanent changes to their home. Another fantastic idea is using hula hoops to create outdoor decorations. If you have a garden, porch, or balcony that you'd like to dress up for the holidays, hula hoops can be a game changer. For instance, you can create large glowing circles by wrapping hula hoops in string lights and hanging them from tree branches or along a fence. This creates a mesmerizing effect, especially at night when the lights are twinkling against the dark sky. You can even vary the sizes by using different hula hoops, creating a cascading effect that adds depth and dimension to your outdoor space. If you're into DIY projects, try making a giant Christmas tree frame out of hula hoops. Start by placing a large hula hoop at the base, then stack smaller hoops on top, securing them together with string or wire until you've created a conical tree shape. Wrap the entire structure in lights, tinsel, or garlands, and you've got yourself a unique modern take on the classic Christmas tree. This is perfect for smaller spaces where a traditional tree might not fit, or as an additional outdoor decoration that will certainly stand out. For those of you who love hosting during the holiday season, hula hoops can also be incorporated into your party decor. Consider making a hula hoop serving tray or centerpiece. By wrapping a hula hoop in festive fabric or ribbon and placing it on a flat surface, you can create a stylish base for candles, floral arrangements, or even snacks and drinks. This adds a bit of height and interest to your table setup and is sure to impress your guests with its creativity. Now let's talk about some tips and tricks to make your hula hoop decorations really shine. First off, if you're using lights, opt for LED string lights. They're energy efficient, don't get hot, and are available in a wide range of colors and styles. This makes them perfect for wrapping around your hula hoop without worrying about safety or the lights overheating. When it comes to attaching materials to your hula hoop, hot glue is your best friend. It's quick, easy, and holds up well, even if you're using heavier materials like ornaments or thicker garlands. Just be careful when using it, as it can be very hot and can melt certain materials if not applied carefully. Another option is using zip ties or clear fishing line for a more secure hold, especially if your decoration will be outdoors or in a high-traffic area. If you're looking for a more polished finish, consider spray painting your hula hoop before decorating it. Metallics like gold, silver, and copper are especially popular during the holiday season and can give your hula hoop decorations a chic, modern look. You can also experiment with different textures, like matte or glitter finishes, to match your holiday theme. For those who love a rustic or natural look, try wrapping your hula hoop in twine, burlap, or natural greenery. This gives a warm, cozy feel that pairs beautifully with other natural decorations like pine cones, berries, and wooden accents. You can even create a farmhouse-inspired wreath by adding some faux cotton stems or plaid ribbons to your hula hoop. Finally, let's talk about the environmental impact. Christmas decorations can sometimes be wasteful, especially if you're buying new ones every year. But with hula hoop decorations, you're repurposing something that might otherwise be discarded, and you're creating something that can be reused year after year. Plus, many of the materials you use to decorate the hula hoops, like ribbons, fabric, and lights, can be easily swapped out or refreshed to give your decorations a new look each year without having to buy all new decor. It's a sustainable way to decorate that's better for your wallet and the planet. So whether you're looking to try something new this holiday season, or you're just on the hunt for affordable and creative Christmas decorations, give hula hoops a try. They're versatile, easy to work with, and offer endless possibilities for customization. From wreaths to chandeliers to oversized ornaments, you can create something truly unique that reflects your personal style and adds a special touch to your holiday decor. Plus, the kids will love getting involved, and you'll have decorations that are not only beautiful but also practical and sustainable. So grab a hula hoop, or a few, and let your creativity run wild this Christmas.